Good morning, back out after the snowstorm, hunting just a little tiny pool here with my buddy Bryce. Got about 2 dozen of the FA live mallards. Flocked heads, hopefully he'll stick out in the snow today. And had some teals zip by, heard a few mallards setting up, so we'll see what happens. Got a spinner, supposed to get a wind kick up throughout the morning. It's just kind of a breath right now. There's some, maybe some teal. There's some cranes talking. Heard a few geese as well. So we'll see what happens. About a minute to go. Is that a drake? See if this flock comes back around. Susie. That's good though. Yeah. Might bring this flock back around. Just wait. That's a drake. I should have communicated that better. I'm sorry, Bryce. That was tough, that big flock. Couldn't really tell, but hey, I stoned him.
Dude.
That's a nice little drake.
Real nice drake. Real nice drake. That was a good one.
Just needed a... It was just hard picking them out. It's still early, and we worked that whole flock of like 10 right in here. That was pretty. I was hoping that we could both shoot, but then this drake was here. I'm like, well...
Oh, and we could have both shot, but I like to take my time.
That's fine. You don't want to rush it.
I'm a patient hunter. Usually when I start rushing it, then I don't lead my shot.
Yep, then you miss. There's two up.
Miss or cripple.
Right there, Bryce. Shoot this drake. Nice shot, buddy. Little gentleman shoot today.
He landed absolutely perfect.
Yeah, they worked in great. Probably could have had the widgeon too, but I couldn't tell if it was a drake. Nice shot, dude.
We're doing it.
Just wait. This is mine.
Yep.
Rushed my shot on him, but he worked in great, and we got him. Wish it was a little cleaner, but another nice little mallard. Here's a pair out front. Shoot that drake. He's right there. Nose a hen and a drake. Yeah, just leave them. They'll call in something else maybe. Man, I thought you were just gonna stone that drake. Oh yeah, here they come. Bryce, you take this drake. Which one is he? The low one. Right there. Nice job, buddy.
We're doing it.
Yeah, two hens and a drake. He was there.
Oh, he worked perfect.
That was a
He worked perfect. Even hovered.
I was waiting. I'm like, are you gonna shoot this duck or am I going to? Don't move. Off your left, Bryce. There is my third drake. He decoyed in pretty right about the spinners where I shot him. Just a little in front, luckily. But came right in. So I'm at 3 and Bryce is up next on the next single. Chipping away. Keep giving the whistle, Bryce. Here he comes, here he comes. Hooking around. Might need one more pass to drop down. Oh. Yeah, we'll shoot those. Not yet, not yet. Where'd they go? Right there, Bryce. Shoot it. Oh, you had one landed. Hey, nice shot. I thought you saw this other drake because the drake landed right. Yeah, well, one landed right here right before he did, so that's why I called it there. So you shot. I was hoping you would shoot him and then shoot the one on the left. I don't know where that whole flock went. Like, I just kept watching, and obviously some of them landed, but I don't know where the rest went. But hey, that's all right. We'll just pick off singles if we have to. That's a nice. That's kind of a cool one. Say it's a young one, maybe. No curl,
No
still
curl,
eclipse,
but
yeah, that's really cool.
I've never shot one like that before.
Yeah, cool head pattern. Still a green head. All right, I'm up next on the singles. That's a Susie. Just hovering right above us. That was cool. If she was a drake, that'd been awesome. I think it's a... Is it a drake? Nope. Suicide Susie. These Susies are just... Maybe it's the same one. Just makes a loop and comes back. Another Susie.
You like my drake whistle?
Liking something.
I'm just take full credit on that one.
Mid-morning. The wind is really whipping up. We got clear skies coming. And that could be what we're waiting for. We're seeing plenty of birds, just not really many giving us a look other than some Susies that are just coming into like 5-10 yards. Been a pretty good morning regardless though. Stick her out, see what we get the rest of the way.
Go hunt him up. I'm not gonna go find him.
Come on, Bryce. There he is. Not the prettiest drake, but he decoyed in great. Just didn't see him until 1 second after. And I am 1 mallard away. Really haven't seen much for bonus other than a few teal, so maybe I have to pick one of those off, hopefully, if they come back around. Well, there was the teal.
Shoot 3 teal.
Shoot that drake. Had a nice, I think it was a 3-pack come in, and I got mine. I am limited out. Another nice old green head. Hold on for a bonus, although if we don't get one, it's not the end of the world. Another green bag, and Bryce is up for the mallards. We're gonna get like a whole flock of mallards in here now. Here, they're gonna center up. Gadwall out front. There's a gadwall. Right there, Bryce. Shoot. You had a few opportunities there. I almost pulled up on one of them Drake Gadwall.
Should have.
Well, I didn't want to mess up the mallards for you.
Well, with how they were working, I thought they were going to drop right in.
I thought they were going to backpedal too. They just kept circling.
I mean, why I never pulled up on them?
Why don't you shoot that duck, Bryce? That's a drake. Hey, you got him. Hey, I got him. I got him. Hey, you hit him at least twice, but you smoked him that 3rd shot. I didn't even see him coming. I just look up and he's, oh no, I did. He was cupped up.
Why don't you shoot that one?
He was just like cupped. I'm like, why don't you shoot that one? And then boom.
Got him. Yeah,
nice job, buddy.
He is a young one.
Yeah, very young.
Super young.
All right, one more. We've got a bunch coming, Bryce. Just need one. Come on. That's a drake. Pick out one of these. Good. Okay. Coming back. Here they come. Here they come. Stay down, Bryce. Just pick one. You're gonna have a drake come right in. Nice!
Not happy about 3-shot, but
Hey, you got him. Well, that's a nice one.
still young.
Yeah. Another limit. And we are calling that a day, not gonna wait around for bonus ducks. Ended with a 2-man, all Drake Mallard limit once again. What an awesome, awesome day. Greenheads and snow. Fun time. Probably could have had a little better shooting, but we'll just have to do better next time. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.